Okay, friends, today I'm going to talk about Bread Financial Holdings. Now, I know, it's not the most exciting name, but trust me, this company is doing some really interesting stuff in the world of finance. So, here's the thing, Bread Financial Holdings, formerly known as Alliance Data Systems, is a big player in the credit card and payment processing game. They partner with retailers to offer private label credit cards, co-branded credit cards, and even buy now/pay later options. Think of it as the company that makes it possible for you to buy that new TV or those designer shoes on credit. But that's not all. Bread Financial also offers its own suite of credit cards and savings products directly to consumers. So, whether you're a retailer looking to boost your sales or a consumer looking for a convenient way to manage your finances, Bread Financial has you covered. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about Bread Financial? Well, for starters, they're a major player in a growing industry. The credit card market is constantly evolving, and Bread Financial is at the forefront of that change. They're constantly innovating and developing new products and services to meet the needs of their customers. Plus, Bread Financial is a well-established company with a strong track record. They've been in business for over 30 years, and they have a proven track record of success. So, you can feel confident that you're in good hands when you do business with them. So, there you have it. Bread Financial Holdings is a company that's making a big impact in the world of finance. Whether you're a retailer, a consumer, or just someone who's interested in learning more about the credit card industry, Bread Financial is definitely worth checking out. And with that, I'll leave you with a question. What do you think the future holds for Bread Financial? Do you think they'll continue to be a leader in the credit card industry? Or do you think they'll branch out into other areas? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay curious and keep learning.